Hi, welcome to Arlo Labs. I'm Bridget, and today we're going to help you set up your Arlo Essential pan-tilt indoor camera. Let's get right into it. First up, bring your camera where it's being mounted. Once you've picked the spot, plug it in and we'll get started. To get the most out of your experience, now is the perfect time to download the Arlo Secure App and create an account. Here's the easy way. Scan the QR code in the Quick Start Guide. Already part of the Arlo family? Even better. That QR code will take you right to your new camera setup page in the app. Just make sure your app is up to date. All right, let's connect. Make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on your phone, and then open up the Arlo Secure app. Navigate to Devices, and tap the plus icon in the upper right corner. Select Cameras, Essential Series, and look for the tab that says Plug-in Cameras at the top. Then select Pan-Tilt Indoor Camera. Make sure you select Indoor Camera and not Security Camera. Pairing is simple. Hold down the sync button on top of your camera for up to 3 seconds until that LED flashes blue. The app should pick up your camera automatically. Once you're synced, the app will walk you through how to connect your camera to your Wi-Fi. Once you're online, give your camera a name and let Arlo check for any firmware updates. This might take a couple minutes. Feel free to pause the video and come back when the update is complete. If you have multiple cameras you'd like to onboard, feel free to select Update in Background, then start this process again for your next camera. If you're all set, we're ready to get to the fun stuff. Hold the camera where you plan to mount it and make sure it has 2 things: a clear line of sight and a strong Wi-Fi signal. You can check your Wi-Fi signal strength in the Arlo app to be sure. Once you're set, the Arlo app will ask you how you plan to place the camera. If you're mounting it on a flat surface, just triple check that your camera won't have any major blind spots as it pans around, and you're good to go. If it's going on a wall, you'll want to use the L bracket. Before you screw anything in, take a moment to figure out where your nearest outlet is. If it's below where your camera is being mounted, feed the power cable through the channel in the back of the mount like this. Make sure you have a bit of slack so you can easily plug your camera in later. If you'd prefer that your cable comes out the top of the mount, you can skip this step. Now, install the bracket using the included hardware. Make sure this arrow is pointing in the direction the camera lens will face. Once your mount is installed, you can connect the camera. Use the alignment marks on the L bracket and base of your camera to ensure both are aligned. Start with your camera at the back of the mount, then slide it forward until it's secured. You'll hear it click. If you're mounting on the ceiling, start by anchoring the mounting plate where you want it, with the arrow pointing in the direction where the camera lens will ultimately face. Secure it in place with the included hardware. Now, align your camera's base so that the arrow on the bottom points the same way as the one on the mounting plate. Then, slide your camera forward until it securely clicks into place. Now that your camera is secured, plug it in and let it power up. As it does so, it will automatically rotate to calibrate its range of motion. And that's it. Your new camera is officially on duty. At Arlo Labs, we try to ensure your setup is smooth sailing, but just in case, here is a quick troubleshooting guide. Getting the right model is step 1. You want to select Cameras, Essential Series, and then be sure to select Plug-in Cameras on the tab up top. Then, from the list of plug-in cameras, be sure to select Pan-Tilt Indoor Camera, not Pan-Tilt Security Camera. If you're having issues syncing with your phone, always check your Bluetooth settings. First, head to your phone's settings menu and ensure Bluetooth is on. Then make sure the Arlo Secure app has Bluetooth permissions. Sometimes those privacy settings need adjusting. Wi-Fi being difficult? Here's the solve. First, double-check you've got the right network with the right password. Sometimes capital letters or special characters in the password trip up our users. If you don't know your Wi-Fi password, click the Locate My Password button for help copying your password from your phone settings. Still having trouble? You might be too far from your router or have something blocking the signal. You can always check the Wi-Fi strength in the Arlo app to be sure. Remember, a poor Wi-Fi signal can impact video quality, so make sure your connection is strong. One more little pro tip on camera placement. Avoid aiming your camera through glass. It can interfere with the camera's ability to detect motion correctly. Now that your camera's mounted and ready to go, let's set up your free trial of Arlo Secure so you can get the full Arlo experience. This is a subscription-based service that enhances everything about your Arlo security system with AI-powered intelligence. It makes every part of your day-to-day home security experience seamless and easy. You can look back at past events with cloud recording and 60 days of video history, and get smarter notifications with AI recognition for known people, vehicles, and deliveries. Arlo Secure can even tell you if it recognizes worrisome sounds like glass breaking, dogs barking, or gunshots. And if there ever is an emergency, you get one-touch access to trigger emergency response when seconds count. It's the most advanced way to stay secure, and it's free to try. Just follow the easy setup process in the app. Once you're installed, here are a couple of quick day-to-day troubleshooting tips. If you're getting too many notifications and you have an Arlo Secure plan, select Zones in your camera settings to customize Activity Zones. This will help ensure you only get alerts for the areas you want. Another pro tip on alerts: if you need to mute them temporarily, you can do it right from your phone's lock screen. Just hold down on an incoming alert and select Mute Notifications. Easy. And with that, you should be golden. But if you're still having trouble, by all means, reach out to us. That's what we're here for. At Arlo, your privacy isn't just a feature, it's a promise. Our privacy pledge puts you in full control of your experience, personal data, information, and video history. From setup to protection to privacy, our goal is simple: to make things easy for you and take care of you right from the start. So, that's it. You're up and running. Thanks for watching. Now you're ready to protect your everything. Bye.